17%. Yeah, I was 16. I said it's not. Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. What is your homework? Wait. What will be? Two, three, five, okay. Question number two. So right here, let the larger angle be X and the smaller angle be Y. Only then you can write this. In the word problem, so the answer should also come in the statement form. It's not like just solve. Solve means your X and Y लिखिए. इधर आपको लिखना है इसका statement लिखिए ना. इसका final value is 7. Therefore, the measure of the larger angle is 29 degrees and the smaller angle is 80 degrees. Even sixth sum, you're not given the statement. What is X? What is Y? Okay, you have to write that. Even the final answer, I'm sure it is. Here you are written. 7 sum, don't say let the first digit be X, right? Let the digit in the tens place be X, and the digit in the ones place or the units place be Y. Therefore, the 2-digit number is 10X plus Y. On reversing, the number becomes 10Y plus X. Then you start. You have done.
That's the higher six.
Thank you. You also provide delta larger and gates plus 191. Here's a statement here. Final answer statement. Cost of. What is the question? Find the cost of each pack and bond. Here it is written the number of bonds we might. Let the cost of each pack be rupees X and the cost of each bond be rupees 1. Number of packs and bonds is given to you. You're not finding out that. You're finding out their cost. Okay? Again, final statement also required. Where do you stay? Near to me. So go and get your book now. No, where nearby is where you stay. Huh? Yeah, I'm actually postman here in this city. So I'm all over the business. No, it's Roseburg. When the chemist comes, the body नहीं for some good जाते हैं फिर body नहीं मुझे याद है रास्ते में क्या भूल गए थे रास्ता तो नहीं भूलते हैं कभी आती है ना बराबर हाँ जी second तो वो नहीं है second नहीं किया You have not done this by substitution. This has not been done by substitution. So, your doubts to everybody. Second. Find the value of k in the equation 2y is equal to x plus k. तो बाद में देखते हैं. If x and y are related by the pair of linear equations, 2x minus 3y is equal to 16 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 14. Now in equation 1 I can see 3y. So I can write here therefore 3y is 14 minus 4x. Do you all agree? Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Therefore, 2x minus, what is 3y? 14 minus 4x. See, I am using the bracket here. Is equal to 16. 2x minus 14 plus 4x is equal to 16. 6x, 16 plus 14. 6x, 30, x, 5. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 2. Therefore, 3y is 14 minus 4 into 5. 3y is 14 minus 20. 3y is minus 6. Y is minus 2. Now we have got the values of x and y, but they have asked us to find the value of k in this equation. 2y is equal to x plus k. 2, what is y? Minus 2. X plus k. Minus 4 minus 5 is k. K is minus 9. Class. Do you understand? I think you'll use this some, but you'll use this in the language. देखिए क्या करें. Yes, next doubt. 3. Again, there are different methods, as I told you, of solving these terms, but not since we are doing this method of substitution and we have not run the other method. Therefore, we shall use the substitution method only. X upon A plus y upon B is equal to 2. Ax minus by is a squared minus b squared. I can keep any one variable on the left hand side. Okay. Or I could have taken the LCA there and then done it, but then this doesn't make sense. X upon A 2b minus y upon b. Therefore, x is a into 2b minus y by b. I call this as our equation number 1, which we are going to substitute here in equation number 2. Is this clear? Substituting equation 1 in equation 2. A into A becomes A squared. है ना? 2B minus Y by B minus BY is A squared minus B squared. I'll take the LCM, which is B. So this becomes minus B squared Y. This becomes A squared B. This becomes BQ. Two A squared B, opening the brackets, minus A squared Y, minus B squared Y is as it is. Whichever you want to read out. Sure. 2A squared B minus A squared B plus BQ is A squared Y plus B squared Y. Two A squared B minus A squared B is A squared B plus BQ is A squared plus B squared Y common. B common, A squared plus B squared. इसको नीचे लेगा. ठीक है बच्चों? Substituting y is equal to b in equation 1. X is equal to a into 2b minus b by b. A 2b minus b. Is this clear? This part will come after this one. I'm just going to clear that. Clear? Next one down. 7th. Now when I read the sum, it says 4 times a number is equal to 7 times the number formed by reversing its digits. Sum of the digits is equal to 3. Okay. So here we are talking of a 2-digit number which has a digit in the tens place and it has a digit in the units place. Units number ones place. When I say tens place, it's I multiply by 10. Because if I say give you the number 53, so how would I write it? 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Again, if I do the number 78, how would I write it? 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Tens means multiply by 10. Units means multiply by 1. If I reverse that 78 and I make it 87, then I will write 10 into 8 plus 7 into 1. Reverse here. Again. So we will start by saying, after having read the whole sum, I have been asked to find the number, and I have also been told that there is something called as reversing the digits. So that's why I give you the example of 78 and 87. So I will start my sum like this. I will say, let the digit in the tens place be x and the digit in the units place be y. So if I were to give you an example, if this was x and this was y, the 2-digit number would become 10x plus 1y. Yes or no? Therefore, the 2-digit number is 10x plus y. Now, if I were to reverse the position of these digits, if this was y and this had become x, I would have got the new number as 10y plus x. Do you agree with me? On reversing the digits, we get 10y plus x. This is the beginning of the sum. Now I read again the question. 4 times a number. 4 times a number is equal to 7 times the number formed by reversing the digits. Is this clear? 40x plus 4y, 70y plus 7x, 40x minus 7x, 70y minus 4, 33x, 66y, x is चलो मिल गया सब्स्टिट्यूशन सीधा x is to 1 है ना variable on the left hand side everything else on the right. Sum of the digits is equal to 3 x plus y plus substituting 1 into I will get 2y plus y is equal to 3, 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. When I put this value here, I'll get x is equal to 2. Yes or no? You directly written the answer, but in the exam you have to write, therefore, the 2-digit number, I'm going to show the working, is 10x plus y 10. What was x? 2. इसका 1 मार्क है दिखाने में. Did you understand? डायरेक्टली मत लिखो, आपका आंसर राइट आएगा, लेकिन मौका नहीं देना चाहिए एग्जामिनर को मार्क्स का. I've told the sum of the digits and there are 2 digits. How can it be a 1-digit number? Can it be a 1-digit number and having 2 digits and having reversing the place? No. Can I have a 3-digit number because I'm not been given the information? But in the exam, when you get this type of question, it's specified. We have all the questions of this exercise. Finished. Finished. So now we are now on to the elimination method. Elimination method also similar. If you see here, what we were doing is substitution method. What we were doing is we were substituting one variable in place of the other variable. जैसे इधर substitute करते थे हम लोग, तो I got this equation which contained only one variable. Here, instead of doing substitution, we are going to do elimination. Elimination of a variable from both the equations. From both the equations. So now we can eliminate only that variable whose coefficients are same in both the equations. Coefficients are same. But if they are not same, we'll make them same. We'll try to make them same. For example, if I give you a question like this, x plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 2. Solve by elimination method. Now, if I see what's the coefficient of x here? 1.
What's the coefficient of x here? 1. What's the coefficient of y here? 1. Here, minus. But numerically, same 1. So, in the given two equations, I can either eliminate x or I can eliminate y. Because coefficient same है. मैं कौन सा coefficient, मैं कौन सा variable eliminate कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि coefficient same है. इधर 1 1 दिख रहा है मुझे, इधर भी 1 1 दिख रहा है. तो मैं x भी eliminate कर सकता हूँ, y भी eliminate कर सकता हूँ. नहीं हो सकता. But if I have to eliminate x, I will have to carry out the operation of subtraction. because sign same. ऐड करूंगा तो 2x बन जाएगा, है ना? साइन सेम है, लेकिन यहां मैं देख रहा हूं कि विदाउट डूइंग सबट्रैक्शन आई कैन एलिमिनेट y, so plus y and minus y will become 0. So remember, when the coefficients are same and the signs are opposite, you will always add, and addition is easier than subtraction. For subtraction हमको सब signs change करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? If I tell you -3 plus 2, you have to tell me -1. But if I tell you -3 minus or -2, you have to take -3 -2 minus plus 2. No problem. So when the signs are opposite, we will always add. So I will write here. I'll call this equation number 1. I'll call this equation number 2, and I will say adding equation 1 and 2. When I add, the signs don't change. Plus 1y and minus 1y will get cancelled. देखा y एलिमिनेट हो गया. x plus x 2x, 8 plus 2 10. तो x कितना मिला मुझे? 5. ठीक है ना? Now this value of x I can substitute in any one of the equations. My choice. I will take the simplest one. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation number 1. So what do I get? 5 plus y is 8, y is 3. Clear? Let's take another example. X plus y is equal to 16. X plus y is equal to 12. Obviously, I cannot eliminate x because here 2 है और ये 1 है. But coefficient of y either be 1 or 1. I'll eliminate y. But signs are same. When the signs are same, I'll remember this. Same signs. इधर क्या था? Opposite signs add. Same signs subtract. So I will now write subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. When I subtract, all the signs will change. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. This I have to show. Now this fellow is not there, this fellow is there. Y and minus y will get cancelled. 2x minus x, x. 16 minus 12. Now I would like to substitute it here. This is a simpler equation, yes or no? Substituting x is 4 in equation number 2. 4 plus y is 12. Y is 12 minus 4. Y is 8. Do you understand? I will eliminate that variable from the two equations whose coefficients are same. If the signs are also same, it's something.
with the signs are opposite. Is this clear? Sure? Absolutely sure? पक्का ना? पढ़ो आगे. इसमें लिखा क्या है? By elimination method. By elimination method. Unfortunately, तुम लोग को इतनी इजी समझ ही नहीं है. ठीक है ना? जिसमें सीधा ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट है ना? क्या करेंगे? I'll start with the first question. 3x इसको बोलेंगे इक्वेशन 1. इसको बोलेंगे इक्वेशन. अब in the given form, as you all can see, the coefficients of x are not same. एक में 3 है, दूसरे में 5 है. So in the given form, I cannot eliminate x. Second variable in one equation it is -1, the second equation is -3. So I cannot eliminate variable y also directly. But मुझे एक तो variable eliminate करना है. ये नंबर क्या है? 3 and 5. इसका LCM कितना है? 15. ये कितना है? 3 and 1. इसका LCM कितना है? 3. तो मुझे कब मेहनत करनी है? तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मैं इस इक्वेशन को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, so that the coefficient of y becomes same in both the equations. So I will write multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get इसका नाम अभी नया होगा 3. अब मैं देखूंगा 2 and 3 को सेम है नहीं, सेम है हाँ, लेकिन साइंस भी सेम है, सेम साइंस. So I'm like subtracting equation 2 from 3 or 3 from 2, choice is yours. But मैं देख रहा हूं उसमें बड़े नंबर है, तो इसको हम लोग ऊपर लिखते हैं. इसमें छोटे नंबर है, इसको हम लोग नीचे लिखते हैं. When I subtract, all the signs will change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. 9x minus 5x, 36 minus 16, x is, अब ये y चाहिए. I can substitute 1 or 2 or 3. सबसे simple तो 1 बना है ना? Substituting x is 5 in equation 1. Therefore 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 12. 15 minus 12 is y. Y is did you all understand?
Yes.
Any doubts? Sure. Sure, no? So this was sub question 1 I have done. You all will do sub question 4 and 5. Question 1 का sub question 4 and 5. ये 1 करने के बाद में. ठीक है? Start.
Why not? Value can be any real number. It can be zero, it can be negative, it can be positive. Now, when you get the answer, आपने supposing equation number 1 में substitute करके आपका value निकाला दूसरा. Then what you should know how to do self verification. Exam में मैं तो नहीं रहूँगा साथ में. बुक के पीछे भी अपन देख नहीं सकते. तो आपको क्या करने का? जो दूसरा equation है ना, उसमें वो x and y का value डाल के देख लेंगे. And you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. That step need not be shown, but it is for your self-satisfaction. Huh?
Yes.
What the answer?
Yes.
Did you verify yourself?
Yes.
Please do it. The exam, you could look in front, look at the back, ask your friends what you answer, and that's how you can do it. But that is not allowed, as I just mentioned, in which equation, first tell me, Mani, you got the value of x first or y?
X.
X. Now this value of x you substitute in which equation?
Then.
In 1 or 2?
Then.
In 1. So now, then you got the value of y.
Yes, sir.
So then what you do is, put in terms of x and y, put it in equation number 2 and see whether getting LHS is equal to RHS. If yes, then you are right. If no, you do redo it. Okay. Rather than be verified.
Sir, I'm going.
Ah. No, very simple. And especially, whenever you get these values of x and y in fractions, it should ring a bell. Verify. Pakka verify करनी. तो आपको wrong मिला, मतलब your values of x and y are wrong. आपको वापस करनी चाहिए. Money.
So you know, I got a fraction.
Then you do it again, no problem. If your verification is wrong, then there are only two things. Either do it again or start playing with your law of verification. And you can verify. Okay. It's something you get wrong. X plus y is equal to 5. वो वाला ये वाला भी किसको wrong मिल सकता है? One. Equation 1. Coefficients of x and y are not same, or I could make them same for at least one of the variables. So in my mind, I can see plus and minus. So I know that opposite sides add. So I'll say multiplying equation 1 by 3. So what do I get? 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. Yes or no? ऐसा मिला कि नहीं? Yes or no? Adding equation 2 and 3. 5x is 19. X is 19 by 5. ऐसा मिला कि नहीं? ऐसा मिला ना? है ना? Substituting. X is 19 by 5. In equation 1, obviously that's the simplest one. 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Y is 5 minus 19 by 5. Y is 25 minus 19 by 5. I'm taking the LCM here. Y is 6 by 5. ऐसा भी मिला? फिर भी आप बोल रहे wrong है आपका. चलो हमने इसको 1 में डाल के देखा, तभी तो मुझे वैल्यूज मिला. Now for verification I will use equation number 2. और ऐसे जब आंसर्स आएंगे तो मैं करूंगा ही किसी भी हालत में. मतलब maybe I am wrong. So let me put it in equation 2. 2 into x minus 3 into y. 2 9s are 19s are 38. 3 6 are wow. LHS equal to मतलब राइट करके भी आप बोलते होंगे. हाँ आंसर सही है, बधाई हो, खुशी हुई. अब जाओगे ना घर पे? हाँ घर पे जाओगे ना, नीचे वॉचमैन को बताना देख आज मैंने राइट किया बस. ठीक है, सबको मालूम ना उनके बिल्डिंग में घंटी बजा हो जाके बताना सबको. और एक बोला ना करने को, कौन सा बोला? फिफ्थ वाला. Before you start just playing. Done the verification also. Was it right? What's the value of x you got?
6.
And y? X is 6. Absolute nonsense.
No, sorry, x is 2. And y.
You know what I did? I simply got the values in formula. I put it in the equations. I should get, see, that's the best of verification. Verify and then write your answer. So that there is no opportunity of anything wrong. You don't know whatever your teacher or argue says. Like, there are many verifications here and right. You also want to change. तो एग्जाम में से बड़े अच्छे मित्र मिलते हैं जो डराते हैं नहीं नहीं इसका आंसर 3 and -2 है. then one next exam खराब जाएगा. ये जो वेरिफिकेशन दिखा है मैंने दिखाने का नहीं है ना एग्जाम, इसमें मन के लिए करना है. If you see questions 3 and 4 here, they are in this exercise, they are identical to sum number 4 and 5 of the previous exercise. Yeah, same. So you will definitely find that elimination method is somewhat easier sometimes than substitution, especially when you have some length fractions.
The students in the exam will be the new said like if they give choices, but they can use them.
No, choice. I'm telling you, still there are some students who are not comfortable with elimination. They still feel substitution easier. Harek ka choice hai. You go to a marriage party, somebody likes chocolate ice cream, somebody likes strawberry. You cannot be forced to eat vanilla. है कि नहीं? जो अपनी पसंद है वैसा करो. Whatever you are comfortable that yes, I'm going to go right by this method, do that. Because I'm still telling you, there are many students who say that substitution is easier than elimination. हालांकि substitution थोड़ा कभी long पड़ता है, कभी fraction वाले something. But again, as I said, as you keep practicing, you yourself realize the same sum. As I said, there are two sums which are similar. Now we'll do it by elimination in this exercise, and then I'll leave you all to decide what is easy for you. समझा कि नहीं? ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि आपको एक पर्टिकुलर मेथड से ही करना है, ठीक है? Now your homework is from question number 1 of the homework exercise, sub question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है? Sub question 1, question number 1 का sub question 1 to 5. That is your homework. ठीक है? On whatever we have discussed today. And either they go over very clearly here, solve by elimination method. ठीक है? चलो, we'll stop for the day. Thank you very much. Good night. Any doubts? Thank you.